Hello everyone. Today we will explain how to install and use the ANDELI MIG-205DP Accessory Kit. MIG torch. Install the correct contact tip according to wire size. Then attach the nozzle. The MIG torch assembly is complete. For aluminum welding, remove the original liner and replace it with the graphene liner. Trimming excess length. The liner replacement is complete. Gas-shielded MIG welding. Remove the drive roller and check installation. Use U-groove rollers for aluminum and V-groove rollers for other wires. Install the correct groove size facing inward. Remove the spool retaining clip. Pull out the corresponding welding wire. Cut the bent wire tip. Feed through the drive system. And secure the pressure arm. Install the spool and secure the clip. The spool installation is complete. Connect the torch to the MIG socket. Connect jumper plug to positive and ground clamp to negative. Secure the ground clamp to the workpiece or a conductive metal workbench. Power on the machine. In MIG mode, press the wire feed button to advance the welding wire. Or hold the trigger in MIG mode to feed the wire automatically. If dry run protection is activated, press the trigger again to resume feeding. Once the wire exits the torch tip, reinstall the contact tip and nozzle. Adjust the wire stick out to approximately 0.4 to 0.8. Connect the gas hose. Set CO or mixed gas to a PPROX.10L/min. Set argon to a PPROX.20L/min. Gasless flux-cored welding. When installing a small spool wire, first remove the spool shaft, then remove the drive roller. Check whether it is properly installed. Install the correct groove size facing inward according to wire diameter. Pull out the flux-cored wire. Cut off the bent wire tip. Feed the wire through the drive mechanism. Lift and secure the pressure arm. Install the spool. Secure it with the retaining clip. The spool installation is complete. Connect the welding torch to the dedicated MIG welding socket. Jumper to negative. Ground clamp to positive. TIG torch. Install the correct collet. Tighten ceramic cup. Insert the correct size collet. Insert tungsten. Adjust stick out. Tighten back cap. The TIG torch assembly is now complete. TIG welding and cold welding. Connect torch to combined gas power socket. Connect the control cable to the corresponding socket. Ground clamp to positive. Set argon to a PPROX.10L/min. Cleaning mode. Cleaning torch to negative. Connect the control cable to the corresponding socket. Ground clamp to positive. Plasma cutting torch. Install electrode, diffuser, nozzle, then shield cap. The plasma torch assembly is now complete. Plasma cutting mode. Connect plasma torch to combined socket. Connect the control cable to the corresponding socket. Ground clamp to positive. First assemble the air filter regulator. Then install the mounting bracket. Mount the air filter regulator onto the bracket. Connect the air hose to the air inlet port. Connect the other end to the air compressor. Open the air valve. Adjust the air pressure to approximately 0.4 megapascals. Stick welding mode. Ground clamp to positive, electrode holder to negative. This concludes the installation and operation guide for the ANDELI MIG-205DP Accessory Kit.